Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove application from home screen on your iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you for the new updates. Okay, let's start. On your home screen, choose the application that you want to remove. Press and hold the application until the settings pop up and select the Remove App and choose the Delete App. And please select again the Delete for the permanently deletion. And that's it. We have successfully removed the application from the home screen on the iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for the new updates. And thank you for watching.